is up, guys? It's your girl Vonnie, and today we're back at again with another video. Haven't been on here in a minute, but today I got something for y'all. So first, I'm gonna take these off. So got another package. This is gonna be an unboxing video. So a couple days ago, I had ordered some shoes, and they finally came. They wasn't supposed to come till Friday, but right now it's Tuesday, so that's even better. So the first time I ordered these shoes, it canceled my order for some reason. So I had to redo it. And they were selling out really fast. I don't know if you guys seen these or not, but I think I might like them. They are Jordan 1s, and yeah. So here's a box. I'm gonna use my key or try to. I'm so excited.
So excited!
With this quarantine, there's not much you can do. So we've been online shopping. Can't get it open. There you go. Y'all, so let me show y'all. This is how far. Let me give y'all a different view. This is what the box looks like when you first open it. I did order these shoes. What the box looks like when you first open it. I did order these. Okay, guys. Foot Locker, as you can see. And this is what the box looking like right now. Boom. Alright.
You really think you all that?
Oh, honey, I know I'm all that.
Got it!
So I hope they gave me the right. Yeah, they gave me the right size. Y'all, I think these are so cute. So first, these shoes comes with two different laces. These are the purple ones. It's like purple and yellow. You can see. And it comes with some plain white ones. And then there's already the black ones that's already on here. So this is the shoe. I think they are so cute. This is the shoe. This is the front of it. You guys can see. Here's another picture of you from the side, back, and the other side. So one thing I like about their shoes is that they have like this lime green color, and it's so cute. It really makes the shoe pop with the more so of a darker purple. I really love the color scheme. They're nice. The inside's nothing special. It just has like the regular Jordan sign. They feel good. The suede feels nice. This material, the yellow is like more rougher. As you can see, this part's like shinier. Overall, I think I would rate this shoe. I really like it. I haven't worn it, as y'all can see. Might try them on later and let y'all know how I feel about them, like far as how comfortable they are. But I think these get a nice 10. Like, alright. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of new shoes. Once again, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, for watching this video. And I think that's going to be it. I might do some more videos. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see in the future. Like some mukbangs, this, that, and the third. Y'all should go check out my TikTok if you guys don't already follow it. It's the same as my Instagram, which will be like somewhere, like either over here or at the end or beginning of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
Yeah.